We got us a new adventuring vehicle for Thor in the channel. Well, it's not really new. It's a 2003, but it's a Chevy S10 ZR2, which if you don't know, the ZR2 is the off-road version of the Chevy S10. This particular truck here is a 2003, powered by the GM 4.3 liter Vortec. It is a pretty reliable engine. It's 4-speed auto, 4-wheel drive, 4 high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive modes. It's got a locking rear end. It sits wider than a normal S10 does with the fender flares. And this truck is currently sitting on 31-inch tall tires.